Stir some brownies in the crock pot.
Jingle bell.
Now watch me whip. Watch me nay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay. So boy. I need you. Y'all remember the tornado? This is a tornado. Y'all remember that? Okay, so yes, welcome back. We have a special guest here. What's your name?
My name is Jasmine. Y'all, it's finally gone looking rough. Rough it up. Say hi.
Okay, and for today, we're going to be making cookies. So, yes, these are already the pre-made ones. And what about
the peel berry? Don't get it twisted, honey. We don't play with y'all. And we got Mrs. Betty Crocker. The brownie mix, not just the original. We got the supreme. Look at it. Y'all see it? My hand getting tied.
Yes, and we have eggnog that we're going to be trying.
She had to get lactate, y'all. I'm lactose.
So,
and then we added some chocolate chips to the brownies.
Yeah, we're gonna start off with the cookies first.
Add a little pencil there. Y'all know the salt baby. We're gonna be the chocolate chip baby.
Okay, so here's the pan.
These are the sugar cookies. Comment your favorite kind of cookie down below. Mine is the original, the OG. Okay, chocolate chip. Don't play with her.
Here they are, so into the oven they go.
Oh, drop the big woman, all these, all these. Wait for you to take over.
I don't know what to say.
Oh my gosh. One.
What am I supposed to say?
Two.
Girl, you're already recording.
1, 2, 3, but I make some brownies, but I make some brownies, get some chocolate chips and dip in that chocolate.
I don't know. It's I mean, did you even start?
Yes, I started the
timer.
Started the timer. What you know about this sprinkler? I think that's a sprinkler move.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move into making the brownies. What we need is 3 tablespoons of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg.
There you go. Drop top. Stir some brownies in the crock.
It's not even the crock. This is the brownie pockets. And this is the chocolate, the chocolate syrup. Okay, now we're just gonna get to mixing. So
we're gonna need a bowl.
where's the quip? The clip. She really did have to be the one to go ahead and eat some cookies, because that's what she always be doing. She don't be trying to wait for them. So now we just chilling, but look, watch this, watch this. Look, y'all see that? I was like, what in the world? I can't believe she did that to me, but yeah, that happened. Okay, so the brownies are now in the oven, and we have to wait 30 minutes. We're gonna try some eggnog right now. This is the eggnog. Okay, so now we're gonna taste the eggnog. We're gonna put whipped cream on it. I think maybe at first we're gonna try it without the whipped cream and then try it with the whipped cream, so the whipped cream does not skewer, whatever that word is, skewer. Skew our results. There you go. Skew our results. Yeah.
I didn't even know which word you're trying to use.
So here's our little cups for the eggnog. Bottoms up. JK, I do not do that.
You gotta shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
Ooh, this thing looks... It doesn't really smell like anything. This is thick. Look at this. Bone apple tea. You want to see it?
What's a big eggnog? I do myself. What's a big eggnog?
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. Girl, just pour it. It doesn't smell like anything.
I'll put whipped cream on.
No, you have to do it without the whipped cream first. Y'all, look at... No. Let's see. Let's see. Look at mine.
Because you only poured more
And look at
because you were
hers.
trying to show them the consistency.
Look at hers. Wow. Okay. Cheers.
Don't taste bad. It tastes like vanilla. I don't like eggnog though. It feels weird drinking some.
Wow.
Something with eggs. I wouldn't drink it. I don't know who made eggnog because it's a weird drink.
Okay, so it's definitely a little thick.
It ain't super thick. Like,
Well, it's a little thicker than a Snicker. But it's not that bad.
I would not take a whole shot. I wouldn't even pour a glass of it.
I don't know if I would drink it like, you
This
know,
one tastes pretty good though, not gonna lie. That cake
most
one,
of the time, but
that cake one tastes pretty good.
this
I
one.
had eggnog before.
What? You had what before? Eggnog. Oh
I
my
had
goodness. Okay.
eggnog before.
Now we're gonna put some whipped cream on it.
You drank your whole day?
Yeah.
I'm scared I don't want to get sick. I don't know. Wow, you're putting quite a bit. Is it gonna block it though?
Do yours?
No. I didn't even do that. Ew. How can you eat?
Okay, so she doesn't want to try it with the whipped cream, so I will.
I'm sorry. I don't know what's in this thing.
That's not that bad. Look at the cookies. They came out. Ooh.
Yeah, they
Focus.
don't even expand that much. That's one thing I dislike about them pre-made cookies. They don't expand.
They really don't. That's how they were looking out the package.
I'm excited for this brownie.
We'll be back once the brownies are done.
Toodaloo. Toodaloo. You gotta do two. You see how I go there? Toodaloo. Now we're gonna be decorating the brownies. We're gonna add some icing. There's some chocolate icing. And we got some Christmas sponges.
She only wanted to sprinkle. Well, I could only put sprinkles on half of it and not the whole thing because she didn't want the sprinkles.
Because these are the really thick sprinkles, and I got both.
I guess it's a good thing I got that on camera, but literally, like, this sprinkles are all on the floor.
See, you should have just used those.
Oh my god.
Luckily, we got a vacuum.
Enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all for my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Jingle bell,